here we have an early 90s Carrera mountain bike that's been converted into a general road bike, I suppose you could say, like a hybrid. Recently went to Amsterdam and it was raining quite a bit there, so I haven't actually cleaned it yet, but it's used, and that's the main thing, I think. So it's kind of like a, what would I call it, hybrid kind of rat bike, all general purpose bike. Just a very handy bike to have, actually, because I can just chuck it in the van, and it saves money on Uber and trains, metros, whatever, underground. You just ride to your destination, get this out, lock it up. I'm not too worried about it because it's not like a 10 grand bicycle. It changes snake speed. It did have a 3 by, I think, but save faff, I just changed it to a 1 by. I can't remember how many teeth on it. I think it's about 34 probably. Snake speed on the back, I don't know what that is, probably about 28. 1128 probably on the back, imagine. Cantilever brakes, yeah, proper 90s style. I don't mind them, they work, it's all good. I changed the gear selectors to this one. Just got it off eBay cheap, got rid of the white one, the right hand one. It's a great little bike. Yeah, I tried to repair. In Amsterdam it's very rainy. I'll reapply that at some point. I think the cranks, I did actually change the cranks. I can't remember whether they're the originals. The thing missing off there. So it's a bit like a rat bike, I suppose. Just use it anywhere, anytime, any weathers kind of thing really. But I acquired this one, I think it was 95 or 96. So I reckon it's about a 93, 92, 91, 90 even, maybe, I don't know. I don't know what model it is. If anyone knows what model it is, let me know. I'd love to know. What else have we got? That's about it really. These are handy to put stuff in, feed bags. Camelback podium, BPA free, it's good. Brighton 530, it's good. Lezine, I've had that a while. It's a bit bashed up, rattles a little bit. Something inside is loose, but it still works. Dice, you've got to have your dice. You've got to have a little bit of rust. Oh yeah. This isn't the original rim. I think that one is. This one is off a cheap bike, I think. I just replaced the bearings, greased all the bearings up, and it works okay. It does roll really well. There's a little bit of slack on this one. This needs tightening up a little bit. There's a little bit of slack, a little bit of play on that one. Probably need to redo the bearings, put some new bearings in and needles or whatever. But it all works good. It's all good. That's about it. Bont Raja flare. It's good. At one point it did stop working because I think it got a bit damp. It's all good. Soleil Royal seat, that's comfortable. I actually did those with putting the bike on a rack. The other bike had, someone had gone down and the end of the lever was all sharp and it just ripped into the, twice actually there and there. Schoolboy error on my part, I should have put something over the seat. I could just recover it, I suppose, I don't know. I don't think you can recover it actually. No, it's a gel one, isn't it? No, you can't recover it. So there we are. My kind of rat bike, styly, commuter, whatever bike. Chuck in the van and save money on transport kind of a bike. It was actually, I remember, yeah, it was an old, if anyone can tell me what it was, I'll be pleased. But it's marketed as an ultralight. It had little bar ends and it had ultralight on it. That's all I know about it really. And it was light for the time. I remember thinking how light this bike was. Really light bike. Now, I mean compared to road bike it's not, but it's still light. It's still a light bike. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below if you got this far. You must like bikes, you must like rat bikes, you must like bikes that are used. I do. I like bikes that are just used, not just polished. I like bikes that are just used. It does need a good clean up. Oh, not Shimano. I don't know, I can't see what the name is.